Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and here's my wife. I was gonna say Ashley Hernandez, but here is my wife, and we're gonna be reacting to an old behind-the-scenes video that I've made from I think 2016 or so. I thought it would be fun to kind of react to my older videos and see, the progress that I've made in terms of video making and just taking, doing YouTube content, and also seeing how I formatted stuff back then. So, hopefully you guys think it's fun too, but I think we'll start. But I did want to have Ashley on here because, she's like the one that's always been involved with these videos. So I thought it'd be fun if we reacted to an old video of ours. Or of mine? Of ours.
Yes.
Of ours. Real quickly though, before I continue, I do want you to know this video is sponsored by...
No, just kidding. Adorama.
No. I'm going to bleep that out because they don't deserve the name to be... It's bleeped. It's sponsored by Adorama. Adorama is an industry-leading retailer that has been serving photography, videography, and audio customers for audio customers for almost 50 years now. Their motto is everyone is a creator, including her, including you guys, and they do their best to unleash that creative within us all by providing us with the tools and expertise necessary to get the job done. I personally shop at Adorama for both the great deals and products I use and recommend, but also the great customer service on those products as well. If you find yourself interested in any product that I talk about or that you see on screen in this video, check out the links that will be in the description area below and be sure to use those links if you decide to order. Hey guys, Francisco Hernandez here. Today I'm going to be shooting with Clarissa.
Gosh.
And I'm going to be using my
young.
Canon 60, my Canon
Oh my God.
and with my Explorer. And you know what? I'm just gonna throw the
You can hear the machine.
And if you do,
like, comment, and subscribe to see more.
wait, I just want to react to the first part because I obviously pause and think a little bit too much when I make videos and when I talk. But I should have cut that part. I should have cut that part. I think I just didn't want to waste Clarissa's time. That's the model, Clarissa. She's our friend. But I didn't want to waste the time and do like multiple takes, or I was too embarrassed to do multiple takes. So then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna mess up.
Go through
but
it.
Just if as long as you hear the words and there's ums between them, who cares? Let's just move forward. And I think that might have been actually like a second take. Because I think I was telling her to like say like, comment, and subscribe, and then she forgot the lines or something. So I was like, yes, she messed up. So now we can do a take two. But gosh.
And then the machine started up, so I'm pretty sure you're trying to talk louder.
Yeah. Honestly, there's ways to get cleaner audio, but man, okay, let's just keep going. Oh, okay. I was wondering why there's no music, but it's because I got like a copyright thing.
Oh, okay. I was going to ask like.
Yeah, I usually did put like copyright-free music, but it's so crazy because sometimes over the years, it might say copyright-free, and then somebody buys the rights to a song, and then they can like what's it called, retroactively, like just put copyright claims on anybody who used the previously copyright-free music. So. I mean, I guess it works for this video because we don't have to worry about, the music being copyrighted. So let's just continue. But, okay, so I have the labels on all the things because I did that for like a long time. And I still do that today, just not as often, where I label all the different things that are going on in the behind the scenes. So we have the awesome model, Explorer 600.
This time you labeled it on the video though.
I should do that more. I should do that more, but I don't really do it often because it's just extra work. But that was when I was using the Explorer 600. So that was my 2016 era, I think. End of 2015, maybe 2016. Oh, it was definitely past April 2016 because that's when I got the light, I remember. But that was when I was using a 5-foot octabox every photo shoot for no reason. Just, I want the extra soft light even though it's going to be a hassle. And yeah, you guys can see all the different things. Vendor C-stand, camera bag, some green stuff on the left there. And Clarissa's just being cool. She's just standing still. I'm using
your font.
Yeah, I'm using high-speed sync, but I didn't like right here when it just like crawled really fast.
Yeah,
it wasn't
you didn't really get to see.
I'm thinking of all the different video programs that I used, and I was using some free one. So yeah, yeah, just ignore all the pans, the quick pans. You can actually see the lens right there at the edge of the frame. So that I was gonna say it must be like a closer shot, but one thing that I will say about Clarissa is that she photographs very, very well. The light just like hits her and complements her skin, and she kind of just glows. So it's really cool working with Clarissa.
Yeah, no, she was one of our favorites.
Yeah, she's really cool. And you can see that it says ninja hand gesture because I'm telling her gesture. I'm just telling her to move her I think it was her chin. Oh, or her whole body. And I am a person who speaks very much with my hands. So I kind of work that into how I'm interacting with the model. So I'm going to say, can you move your chin? And I think I do that. I'm like, can you move your chin just a little bit this way? So then they'll be like this. But sometimes they'll do like the whole body. They'll go like this. And I'm like, no, just your body was fine. Just your chin like that. So I try to be very, like, I don't know.
I don't know why they remind me of Bruce Lee.
I use my hand, yeah. Pay attention to the finger. And if you guys are wondering about the location, it's some random location that's here in town. You don't need a permit where we live to shoot in different areas where we live. It's just crazy. Yeah. There's different areas like in LA and stuff where they're very, very strict, but not our town. Our town is very, very relaxed with the rules.
I think except private properties. But
yeah, of course, if it says like private property, do not trespass, then whatever. So again, using the 5 foot for no reason. But it did light her up pretty well from head to toe. So that's one thing that's good with the, the quick pan right there with the 5 foot octobug. Yeah, because we went by super quick. Woo, not even smooth at all, just like the choppy. Oh, well, that's a really close shot. What?
That I really love these pictures.
Yeah,
Old guy crossing.
I was using the Canon 6D with the 135 L lens. I actually do have that lens. I bought it like at the beginning of last year or this year, and I do want to use it for some photo shoots with my Sony A703, which is my favorite camera. Oh gosh, I had gotten like a lens, a hair.
Oh,
it had to be your hair because it's not my hair.
We see that.
It got a hair stuck into the camera. I had two 6Ds at this point, and one 6D was used for for video. And I had somehow her hair got into in front. Could have been yours. No, it was a long hair, and it was directly in front of the sensor. So not in front of the lens, in front of the sensor. So that's why I didn't know where it was at until the next photo shoot.
What is that crack?
Yeah, and there's a guy crossing through, but
that's beautiful.
I think I added some blue to the shadows. That's what I'm seeing here, because it was like I was like that shouldn't be that blue.
Oh my god! Now I just see the hair.
Yeah, it was in the video.
I wonder if anyone caught that.
Yeah, but she had a great outfit. This hair won't show up in the next video. I got it
out. There you go. Oh man, that's so beautiful.
Yeah, I think it's really cool because where she is right now is like directly, right next to where she was in the previous shot. So you got nice sunlight here. That it was like a nice white and beige green outfit.
Yeah.
That really complemented the location, and then also here with the black outfit. I think it looks really nice. If anything, I'm not totally sure about the necklace, but I think it works well. But I'm just like,
it might be part of the dress, I think.
Oh, maybe. Let's see. Oh, it kind of does look like it's part of the dress.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it's a nice dress, and I do like the fact that it was like a light outfit and a dark outfit, so we get to have both of those different vibes. Yeah. Oh yeah, and her hair, very, very, very flowy. Yeah. If anything, I would want to like remove the hairs now, which is a lot easier now. Yeah, with generative fill now, it's a lot easier. Back then, not so much. Oh, and that's the end of the video. And oh man, I don't know if it's gonna show the bloopers, but all those are still the correct things. FJ Photo, all that. I don't use Snapchat. FJPhoto.com. I'm gonna blur the company logo there. I have a QR code here. What the heck? Stick around for the outtake about to happen. So let's see if the audio plays. Hopefully it does. No, I think I accidentally clipped that part out too. Subscribe or she'll get you.
That was nice.
Yeah, so I mean that was the video. I liked it. I think it's fun making those videos. Obviously there is a lot of work involved, but I try to have fun with the videos, like how I'm making this one here with you guys, reacting to that old video. But yeah, that was it. I thought she was in it more. I honestly remember her.
I was hiding in the background.
I think you were more like just I'm gonna be behind the camera.
I think I was studying.
Yeah, honestly, I think that was the issue. I was gonna mention that, but I wasn't sure because she was studying a lot. When did you?
Yeah, I was doing a graduate program, so I was behind with my phone.
Yes, yeah. So she was doing that, and instead of being like where
Present.
where the stand is, she was studying. So she was like, if anything, she was making sure the camera that was recording wasn't gonna fall, and she was just manning that stand rather than the light stand. So maybe if you guys enjoyed these reaction videos, I'll react to another one where she is holding the stand. So, you know,
See if I hold it correctly.
let me know if you guys like these videos, because I think they're fun to make, and you know, just to take a look back at what we've done and react to it now. So yeah, so let me know. But I just want to say one last thanks to Adorama for sponsoring this video, and I guess for now, take care, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.